Everyone wants to smell amazing, and you can do it with simple home remedies. Let's explore the best ingredients and tips to help you smell great all day long. First, let's talk about lemon. Lemons are rich in citric acid, which helps eliminate bacteria and neutralize odors. Here are a few ways to incorporate lemon into your routine. Lemon wedge rub. Rub a lemon wedge directly under your arms for an instant refresh. The citric acid helps eliminate bacteria that cause body odor. Lemon water spray. Mix lemon juice with water and create a natural deodorant spray. This citrus solution not only combats odor, but also leaves a fresh, clean scent. Lemon bath. Add lemon slices or lemon juice to your bath for an all-over freshening effect. The antioxidants in lemon help detoxify your skin. Lemon and baking soda paste. Create a paste with lemon juice and baking soda. Apply it to your underarms for a natural deodorant that keeps you smelling fresh all day. Next up is baking soda. Baking soda is a fantastic odor neutralizer. It absorbs sweat and neutralizes body odor. To use baking soda paste, mix baking soda with a little water to form a paste and apply it to your underarms. For added effectiveness, mix in some cornstarch to keep you dry and odor-free throughout the day. Baking soda bath. Add baking soda to your bath for an all-over freshening effect. It helps neutralize any body odors and leaves your skin feeling soft. Foot deodorizer. Sprinkle baking soda in your shoes to absorb moisture and eliminate foot odor. You can also soak your feet in a baking soda and water solution. Essential oils are another powerful tool. Lavender, tea tree, and peppermint oils are particularly effective. Lavender oil, known for its calming properties and pleasant aroma. Add a few drops to a carrier oil like coconut or almond oil and apply it to your pulse points. Tea tree oil has antibacterial and antifungal properties, making it great for combating odor-causing bacteria. Add a few drops to your bath or mix with water to create a body spray. Peppermint oil provides a refreshing scent and a cooling sensation. Mix with a carrier oil and apply to your pulse points or add a few drops to your bath. Now, let's talk about ginger. Ginger is not just for cooking, it can also help with body odor. Here's how. Ginger tea. Drinking ginger tea aids digestion, which can reduce body odor from within. It also has a refreshing, spicy aroma that can help improve your natural scent. Ginger-infused body spray. Steep fresh ginger slices in hot water, let it cool, and then transfer it to a spray bottle. This invigorating spray can be used all over your body. Ginger bath. Add ginger slices to your bath for a detoxifying and refreshing soak. The antioxidants in ginger help cleanse your skin. Fruits like oranges and apples are excellent for improving your body's natural scent. Oranges, rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, which help detoxify the body. Eating oranges regularly can lead to a fresher scent. You can also use orange peels to make a fragrant body scrub. Apples contain enzymes that help break down odor-causing bacteria. Eating an apple a day can contribute to a pleasant natural scent. You can also use apple cider vinegar as a natural deodorant. Hydration is key to smelling good. Drinking plenty of water helps flush out toxins from your body that can cause odor. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water a day to keep your body hydrated and smelling fresh. Maintaining a healthy diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains can also help. Foods like parsley, mint, and chlorophyll-rich greens like spinach and kale have natural deodorizing properties. Including these in your diet can help keep body odor at bay. In addition to these remedies, maintaining good hygiene is crucial. Regular showers. Regular showers help remove bacteria and sweat that can cause body odor. Use a mild soap and pay attention to areas prone to sweating. Clean clothes. Wearing clean clothes, especially undergarments, helps reduce body odor. Natural fabrics like cotton are breathable and help keep you dry. Foot care. Pay attention to your feet, as they can be a source of odor. Wash your feet regularly, dry them thoroughly, and use baking soda or foot powder to keep them fresh. Scalp care. Your scalp can also be a source of odor. Wash your hair regularly and use a mild shampoo to keep your scalp clean. Finally, stress management is important. High stress levels can lead to increased sweating and stronger body odor. Practice relaxation techniques like yoga, meditation, or deep breathing exercises to help manage stress and keep body odor under control. By incorporating these simple tips and natural ingredients into your daily routine, you can smell fresh and amazing every day.